Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. My name is Nicholas Santiago. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, 2014. Thank you all for tuning in. Let's jump right into the charts. We're going to start off with the usual S&P 500 E-mini futures. And what you'll see here is that the futures at the moment are trading lower by $3.75. However, they were much lower this morning, and they have come off of the lows. So that is something to watch for. We're going to see where the market closes today. But all in all, this is a very, very volatile trading session. The catalyst or the culprit for the weakness in the market is very, very obvious. It is right here. Take a look at dollar-yen. Dollar-yen is selling off again today. So dollar-yen sold off yesterday. The market was down. Dollar-yen is dipping again this morning, and the market is under pressure. You can also take a look at the U.S. dollar index, and you can see that the U.S. dollar index is lower. Believe it or not, when the dollar goes down and the dollar-yen goes down, the yen carry trade is now off the table. That has been the fuel that has been keeping these markets buoyant and stable. So once again, when the U.S. dollar index is weak, that is generally going to hurt other markets, and most notably the S&P 500. So keep an eye on the U.S. dollar index, or better yet, watch the dollar yen. It'll tell you everything you need to know. Now, when dollar yen goes down, it's very, very important to realize this. Guess what trades higher? Usually it's gold. So let's take a look at the chart of the GLD this morning. And you'll see the GLD right now is holding pretty set at around the 116 level. But watch the GLD later today. If the dollar yen can fall, GLD will get some type of a bid. So keep that on the watch list. We'll look at gold in a few minutes. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news today. We're going to start off with this SodaStream. Stock is just getting absolutely annihilated. It closed at $27.57. It is now trading at $23.10. I just don't have a level for this at all. If you go back to its initial IPO back in November 2010, the low was $23.15. So you're right back at that double bottom low. Is it a trustworthy level? I just can't tell you it is. So be very, very careful with SodaStream. There is nothing I will be looking to do with it, but it is showing good weakness this morning. And again, be very, very careful with that equity. Let's look at the Container Store. TCS is the ticker symbol. This stock is trading at a new all-time low as well. So this is not a stock that's been around for a while. It debuted, I believe, in November 2013 when its initial IPO came out. Now the stock is trading at $18.55. It closed yesterday at $21.87. So this is a pretty ugly sell-off for this equity. The only thing it has going for it right now is that it's probably a little bit oversold here. But other than that, I don't see a reason to own it. Be very, very careful. That's 2 for 2, Soda and TCS, two stocks that are very, very ugly this morning. Let's stick with the ugly category. We're going to go to AGCO, which is Agco. This is a stock we will be looking to play today in the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you don't have a membership there, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You're going to watch us trade this stock today. We have levels for this, but right now the stock closed at $47 yesterday, and it's currently trading at $43 today. So this is one we will look to be playing today at some point. So please come over to the chat room, take a 7-day free trial, and you'll see us navigate through these waters. Let's take a look at some of these casino names. Las Vegas Sands definitely getting hit today. Stock is trading at $61.10. It closed at $62.92 yesterday. We will look to play the casino stocks today. I have a few good levels already mapped out for this. Again, the casino names will be in play. Let's take a look at Wynn Resorts today. This one is trading at $180.95, closed at $183.79. So Wynn Resorts definitely getting taken down. But again, these names, these casino stocks will be in play today. These are some stocks that we will be looking to trade in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at MPEL, which is Melco Crown Entertainment. This is another casino play. You can see this is now trading at $25, closed at $25.62. So we're going to have some decent casino stocks in the play today. We will be playing this in the intraday stock chat room. Take a 7-day free trial, come over, see how we navigate through these waters. Let's take a look at FireEye. I did see some news on this stock. Looks like they're making some security for Apple. FireEye is trading decently higher. The stock closed at $28.03. Right now it's trading at $29.46. There's a lot of resistance around $30.75. So if FireEye can get through there, it definitely has more upside potential. It's a strong gap higher, but again, it needs to get through that 30.70 level. So again, come on over to the intraday stock chat room. We'll be looking at FireEye today for a trade. Let's take a look at AT&T. It looks like they had a security breach. Stock right now is trading at $35.45. It did close right around this area, so you're not seeing a lot of activity. But this is one that could be a little bit on the weaker side today. I don't really see a lot of upside in this name, so be very, very careful. They did come out with some news that an employee was, I believe, according to the report, was sneaking in and taking driver's license numbers, social security numbers. So be a little bit prepared. This stock could come under some pressure today. There's a little minor support around 34.70, but all in all, this one could be lower, and we will be looking to play this one at some point today. So keep that on the radar. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading just down 50 cents. Gold had a pretty good day yesterday. Right now, gold futures are trading at $12.06 an ounce. Let's go to the GLD. We did look at this earlier when we talked about the dollar yen. Right now, you're going to see this trading around the 116 level. If dollar yen gets a bid, gold will pull back. So please keep that on the radar and just remember that. Right now, I don't see anything terrific or terrible for gold. It's more neutral than anything else, but it can be volatile today, and it might be in play today. So again, watch for the patterns, and we'll let you know everything that we're seeing in this market. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil is trading down about 37 cents to $89.97 a barrel. Let's go to the USO, which is a good way to trade light sweet crude. And you're going to see this is trading at $33.85 at the moment. Again, I don't think there's a lot we're going to do with crude right now. Again, this is going to be volatile with the dollar, I suppose. Also, crude has been on a straight down trajectory, so it may have a little bit more downside left in the cards, but it is now getting to where it starts to look attractive. So, yeah, maybe it trades down another couple points in spot crude, but all in all, crude is starting to look attractive now, especially as we go into the holiday season and so forth, but it probably needs a little bit more downside before it stabilizes. All right, let's go do a futures check again. S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading down about 4.5 points. Remember, if dollar yen goes down, generally the futures will go lower. That's what happened yesterday. That's what usually happens, and that's what will probably happen today. So keep that on the radar. Right now, futures are lower by 4.5 points. We'll see how this market fares today. But again, we are going to be in for a choppy October, so get ready. There'll be a lot of good day trades, especially with the spike in volatility, and that is what we are expecting at least this morning. So with that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.